In this video, I want to give you an update on everything we've been doing the last 6 months. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's been 6 months since I sent one of these videos to you, and I apologize about that. But our team has been so busy building out so many features for Tribe that I've just not had time to really update you in this video format. And so in this video, I'm going to show you everything we've been doing. Now, we have added mobile apps. So apps on Android and iOS. We have added a totally new kind of web platform experience. We've added transcoding, so all your videos play a ton faster and save a lot more data. And we've added a bunch of other features. So I'm going to try to hit some of the top features we've added in the last 6 months and maybe share a little bit about what we're working on now and what you can expect from us in the coming months. So let's jump into it. As always, you can head over to our website to product updates and scroll down here. And I'm just going to jump into a couple of these really quick and show you how they work. So we've added some duplication features. We've added integration with Firebase, Google Firebase for all of the mobile apps. We have added transcoding. So I want to start kind of over here and zoom into this real quick here. So this is an example of one of our clients, and I shared this from our Twitter account, where we were just using, I don't know, something like 400, 500 gigabytes of data every single day. Well, we turned on transcoding and essentially dropped that 60% or so. And so what this means is that when you play a video, it essentially pulls a lot of data, pulls all the information for that video over to the user. So what this transcoding piece does is it actually compresses the video, makes it much, much smaller. So when the user does get that video, it just plays a lot faster, for one, and uses a lot less data. So that means for you that you'll be actually saving a ton of money with your hosting, where you're storing your videos, and it just makes for a better overall user experience. So we're really excited about this. We have reduced some of our clients from maybe paying $17,000, $18,000 a month on hosting down to like $2,500 or $2K a month. And so that's a huge, huge difference in bandwidth. So as your community scales, just know that now it's being done in a very efficient way with this new transcoding feature. So next up, we also have our mobile apps. So I'm just going to jump into one of our apps here and just show you how this works. We have released probably 6 or 7 of these apps now, starting with one of our clients that did a challenge back in January. And we are really excited about this. We have found a way to release mobile apps in a way that allows you as the customer to be very specific in exactly what you want in your mobile app. The problem with most platforms, I'm talking about Mighty Networks, there's a number of Vimeo OTT. These platforms are kind of a template that gets deployed down to thousands of customers. And even when you're on some of their enterprise plans, you really can't change a whole lot about the app. And so we needed something that was very, very flexible, because I don't think any one of our communities is exactly the same, and every business is unique. And so we wanted to have something that was very modular, that could be very easily changed to fit your exact needs. So each of our apps that we've been releasing are a little bit unique as we've released them. They're not all exactly the same. They're not all following the same template. And we've been able to leverage some of the low code and no code tools that are out there to make this possible with such a small team to manage and support all of these different types of apps. So let me jump in. I'm going to show you one of our clients' apps right now. And so for this particular client, we have a first screen that once you sign in, you're going to see My Group. So this is going to show you all of the groups that you are a part of. I'm going to make this bigger for you here. And so in here, you can see that I am a part of these different groups. I can jump into this mastermind here, and you can see that this client has a great little welcome screen set up. So if you've ever been running a community group, getting the right links or kind of the most important links to people is typically quite a task. You're sending a lot of emails, you're sending a lot of text to get the right links to the people. And this creates like a little shortcut screen. And so These can be linked out to different parts of the app, these buttons. You can link them to other websites if you need to, other funnels. And so it's very, very flexible, and they can be branded. These are actually images that you can upload and make really custom buttons there. So it looks really great. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see that there is the upcoming daily check-in. So you can see that this content is available today. There's kind of a daily video this person uploaded. And so on the today screen, if a user wants to catch up, they can just go to the screen and they can quickly jump down and kind of see what's going on today or this week from here. And then at the bottom, you can even see when the next piece of content is going to be coming up. So if you have a weekly training that's happening every Tuesday at 2 p.m., you can set these events up so that there's always a countdown that tells people exactly when the next live group coaching is going to be or when the next stream is going to be. Heading over to the replay tab, this is just essentially all of the live streams, the group Zoom sessions, whatever calls are happening. That's just going to be in the replay so people can catch up on content they missed. And then finally, we also have this training tab on the far right that is much more similar to what you're used to on the website, where you have modules, and then each of these modules can have different content inside of them. So this is a very structured content where the replays is just kind of an infinite amount of content that's coming, for live group coaching. So you may have a course that's part of your group, and this people can go through in a very structured way here. But in the replays, this could just be all the live Zoom calls that are happening inside your group. And finally, the coolest tab of all is the news feed. And so here we have this great community area where people can post. Anyone in the group can post into this group. You can see that admins are highlighted here in blue, so it's quick to see which post is coming from admins. And you can jump down and you can watch, jump into different posts. You can comment, you can like things. Very, very similar to some of the social platforms you're used to. The one thing that's really cool here is we do have this Go Live feature. So this is something that we spent a lot of time on trying to get it to work correctly. And I'm going to show you how this works. So say test live stream, and I can start my broadcast. And here we go. I am in my studio. So now I can actually stream and hit this Go Live button. So I'll hit that. Awesome. So now I am live in this group, and I'm just going to let it go for maybe 5-10 seconds. And I'm just creating a quick stream here, and I will stop. So now that post is going to go right into the page right here. And you can see there's even a little GIF there of me. And I just wanted to show you how fast it was to create this content. It was under 60 seconds. We hit stream, we created content, and now this video could be played back, commented on, or whatever you need to do. And anyone in the group could do this. So you can have, have people share their homework. You can have people go live and share what, questions they have. And so it's a very great feature to create that engagement, and being able to see people, especially when everybody is spread out and remote, being able to see a video of someone and kind of share their thoughts and their questions is just a great way to connect virtually. So that is the post here. And on this client, we've even added this really cool leaderboard. So there's a way you can add points and assignments to different content. And so as people finish that content, there can be assignments. And when you complete assignments, you get points. And so it's a great way to incentivize a little bit of competition in the group and just help people, motivate them to take action essentially. And so this is one of the hardest things to do with an online community, is to have people take action. And so with all of these different tools, these different tabs between the replays, the leaderboard, the Go Live feature, we're trying to engage communities in the best way possible. So that's just a little teaser of what the mobile apps look like. We'll have a lot more coming out soon. If you're interested in learning more about a mobile app, go ahead, head over to our website. You can go to any page on our website at the top and book a free discovery call, and we can hop on a Zoom call and chat about that. So Again, we'll have some other videos coming out in the next couple weeks. We've got a lot of really cool things planned for 2023, and we're so excited to have you along for the journey.